So this is another room tour I know you guys have been dying to see. And the base and the top does not actually go together. We just put it together. On top of the table, I just have a little candle and Starbucks bottles. This is my reading nook. I don't actually read here though. I just thought it looked really cool, especially with the carpet, and also I needed somewhere to put my table anyways and to display my prettiest books. Here's an up close of my books. I don't actually like The Secret History, but I don't want to throw it away. Both of my candles are from Walmart. Fall Farmhouse. I haven't lit it yet, so I'm excited to see how that one smells, but yeah. Just turn it around to act as a bookend and also to hide the paper. In my chair, I have my little notebook that I barely use. And I also have my stylus. It's not like a Apple one because those are expensive. This is one that came from Amazon and was only about $18. So this is the accent wall. So on the accent wall shelf, I have this antique jug. I also have a stack of books. So I'm actually awaiting a bench to set the mirror on, but actually it would have worked for how I previously had my room, and not so much for how I have it now. The bench might raise it up too high, and I've gotten the symmetry pretty perfect as it is, so I don't even know if I want to use the bench now, but I do have a bench coming. Yes, my mannequin did come with a stand, but it was just throwing it off to have her on the stand, so I just put her body on the floor. I put her on the other side of the, let's call this a faux mantle because mantle keeps coming into my brain, but I put her on one side of the faux mantle, and then I put the grate, the iron grate, on the other side. And since the mannequin and the iron grate are pretty much the same height, it lends to the symmetry. If you're wondering what this is, it's actually a little swing I made for my dolls, and I cut a piece of ice cream carton out and I just wrapped it in this twine and I suspended it from the bracket. But if you like this and you don't play with dolls, also use it to hold a fake candle. Do not put a real candle in this. You will burn down your house, kiddos. Yes, I have some random notes on the wall because you never know what you need to hang, a mask, a face shield, or you may want to see how a picture looks. My mom does have pictures in storage. I did keep the curtains that I had. They're kind of like silvery, even though they look great and they're just a plain basic texture, but I like how they look. And outside I just have this really country view. There's the backyard and some trees along the ditch that hits right before the field of cane. This is my bed, and you may be wondering why my bed does not have a blanket on it, and the answer is because it's too hot. So I took the blanket off and we're just gonna go with some nice, cool, neutrally striped sheets. Here's a little overview of the room. Sorry it's so small, so I can't really get a good shot for you guys. I do post pictures of my room on Instagram, so if you want to see some more details, just follow me there. Thanks for watching. Bye.